Kana mkana, gokana mkana, eneme mkana. Kana mwegu adua. Happy New Year to you all. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you Ogoni names and meaning. So today's episode, we are going to discuss about Gokana names and their meaning. Gokana names and their meaning. These names are names you can give to your children. These names are very nice. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you these 10 names and their meaning. So if you are from Gokana, share this video, like and subscribe. Thank you very much as we continue the class today. So the first name on the board is Barifa. We have Baridule, we have Lebura, we have Nena Tanye Bari, and we have Keta, we have Lady Babari and Tom Bari. We have Barinada, and we have Dumnami Bari, and we have Bodesi. So this place you can also slash Dumbari. You can also call this Dumbari or Dumbari or Dumbari. So I'm going to tell you the meaning of this name. First is Barifa. So I'm going to give you the meaning of this. The meaning of Barifa is God carries me. That's the meaning of Barifa. Then we have Baridule. Baridule means God is good. Baridule, God is good. God is good. God is good. We have Lebura. God's thoughts. God's thoughts. And we have Nena Tanye Bari. Nena Tanye Bari, meaning God has not forgotten. God has not forgotten his people. His people. God has not forgotten his people. Nena Tanye Bari. Keta means my shame is over. My shame is over. Lady Babari, meaning God's will. God's will. God's will or fortune is in God's hand. In God's hand. So we are now at number 7, which is Tombari. Tombari, meaning work. Tombari, work of God. All right, so before I proceed, there's something I like to share with you people, and I also like people to understand this. If you observe this name, you will see that there are Bari in almost all the names. The meaning of Bari is God. Like for instance now, this Barifa, Bari is there, the Bari is God, the Fa is carried me. Then this Baridule, the Bari is God, Dule is good. That is in Gokana language, not in Kana language or Eneme or Tai. Baridule, Dule is good. From here like this, that is Dule is good. Then the Bari is God. All right, let's proceed. We have Barinada as number 7 on the list. We have Barinada as number 7 as number 8 on the list. The meaning of Barinada is God is not asleep. Asleep. That is the meaning of Barinada. Then number 9 here we have Dummi Bari or Dumbari. This one is Gokana language. While this one is Kana pronunciation, Dumbari. This one is Dummini Bari. Dummini Bari is Gokana. So the meaning of this name is this life belongs to God. Dumbari means this life belongs to God. This life belongs to God. Bodesi, this is Gokana language, still pure Gokana. Bodesi. The meaning of this Bodesi is hope. Is hope. So let me re-emphasize on the names again. Today's class is Ogoni names and the meaning. Ogoni names and the meaning. To be precise, is Gokana names. This is Gokana language. Gokana names and their meaning. We have here on the board Barifa, which is God carried me. God carries me. That is the meaning of Barifa. We have number 2 as Baridule. Bari is God, Dule is good. Bari is God, Dule is good. So this Baridule meaning God is good. We have number 3 as Lebura. Le is good, Bura is thought. So the meaning of Lebura is good thought. Good thought. When you have good thought, good intention towards someone. Lebura, good thought. We have number 4 as Nena Taniebari. These things are names in Ogoni. They are sweet names you can give to your children. Nena Taniebari. God has not forgotten his people. God cannot forget you and I. So this name is very good. You can give it to your children. Then number 5, we have number 5 as Keta. This Keta is still name you can give to your children, meaning my shame is over. My shame is over. That is the meaning of Keta. My shame is over. Then we have Lady Babari. This is Gokana. As I've earlier said, the Gokana language, not Kana language or Eneme or Tai. Lady Babari means God's will or fortune is in God's hand. Lady Babari. Everything you will need in this life is in the hands of God. That is the meaning of Lady Babari. Everything you are looking for in this life is in the hands of God. Then we have number 7 as Tombari. This is Gokana still. If it is Kana, we will change this O to A, which will be Tambari. but as we are in Gokana class today, the A has been changed to O, which is Tombari, meaning work of God or God's work. Is the same thing, either work of God or God's work. That is the meaning of Tombari. Then number 8 here we have Barinada. 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 This Barinada is also a very good name you can give to your children, you know, if you want to, because it's always advisable to name your children in your darling English name as first name, then middle name as Ogoni name, as your darling name. You know, every tribe is advisable that people should do this: English name and your darling name. Barinada here means God is not asleep. God is not asleep. That's the meaning of Barinada. Then we have number 9 here as Duminibari. Duminibari or Dumbari. You can call it Duminibari or Dumbari. Duminibari is Gokana language, while Dumbari is Kana language. So the meaning of this Duminibari is God. This life belongs to God. Dumbari. This life belongs to God. Then number 10 here on the board we have Bodesi. 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 So this is pure Gokana language, which means hope. It means hope. So this is the end of today's class. This is where I'm going to draw to conclusion on today's class. So if this is your first time on the channel, please do well to like, share and subscribe. If you are looking for sweet names to give to your children as an Ogoni person, you can as well select from these 10 names and give it to them. These names are nice. Thank you very much for your time. I do appreciate. Once more, my name is Peter Winganale, your host today. Thank you very much. Share this video.